Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the billing system in App Store. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. iPhone's customers frequently receive warnings regarding a billing issue with a prior purchase, so whenever this occurs, you are unable to use your iPhone for various tasks, including purchasing music from iTunes Store or paying for your subscription. So in that case, here are some troubleshooting methods you could try following to fix the issue. Simply go ahead and open up Settings app from your iPhone, and from the Settings menu, tap on your name at the top. Tap on Media and Purchases. In the pop-up, tap on View Account, and from the Account page, tap on Manage Payments. You can now update all of the necessary information. In the Add Payment tab, select a payment method, enter your debit or credit card number, its expiry date, CVV code, and make sure to update all of the necessary information from this page. Edit your billing address, name, and everything that needs to be done, and tap on Done at the top right. Once you update necessary information for your payment, then the next thing to do is to check any pending purchases from your iPhone. From the same Apple ID page, tap on Media and Purchases, tap on View Account, and scroll down to Purchase History. Give it a tap in order to see if you have any pending purchases, and if you do, then tap them to update your billing information and make your payment. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. You can also try adding a new payment method, since not all the payment methods are available for every region. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. If nothing else works out, then you can simply sign out of your Apple ID and sign in again. From the Settings app, tap on your name at the top and tap on the Sign Out button at the bottom of the screen. Enter your password for your Apple ID and then tap on Turn Off at the top right to sign out. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, sign in back again and make sure that you write down your sign-in details correct, and once you sign in, you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're going through the billing system issue on App Store. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.